If you work in AutoCAD and want to move around your model faster, understanding the ViewCube is a must. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ViewCube in AutoCAD step by step so you can change views, rotate your model, and get back to your default view with confidence. This is a really helpful tool for anyone working in 3D, and once you know how to use it, navigation becomes much easier and much faster. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials just like this one. First, open AutoCAD and make sure you switch to the 3D modeling workspace. This is important because the ViewCube is most useful when you are working in a 3D environment where you need to view your design from different angles. Once you're in the 3D modeling workspace, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You should see the ViewCube there, and it usually appears as a small cube with labeled sides like top, front, right, and more. Now let's start with the simplest way to use it. Click on any face of the ViewCube, such as top, front, or right, and AutoCAD will instantly change your view to match that orientation. This is a very quick way to jump to a standard viewing angle without manually rotating your model. If you want to inspect your drawing from the side, the front, or directly from above, the ViewCube makes that easy with just one click. Next, try clicking on the edges or corners of the cube. These are especially useful if you want an isometric view. Isometric views give you a more three-dimensional perspective of your model, which is great for checking shapes, proportions, and overall layout. Instead of switching only between flat front, top, or side views, the edges and corners let you move into angled views that help you understand the model better. Another powerful feature is the ability to click and drag the ViewCube itself. When you drag it, you can freely rotate the model and see it from different directions. This is helpful when you want full control over your viewpoint and need to examine details from multiple angles. As you drag, you'll notice the view changes smoothly, making it easier to position your model exactly how you want it. You can also use the circular arrows that appear around the ViewCube. These arrows let you rotate the view step by step in a more controlled way. If you don't want to freely spin the model, but instead want to rotate it in smaller, precise movements, these arrows are the perfect option. They're especially useful when you're trying to align your view or compare one angle to another. And if at any point you get lost or want to return to the original default view, simply click the home icon. This takes you right back to the home orientation, which is a great reset option whenever your model view gets turned around too much. It's one of those small features that saves a lot of time while you're working. So to quickly recap, the ViewCube in AutoCAD lets you change views by clicking faces, move into isometric angles by using edges and corners, freely rotate your model by dragging, make step-by-step rotations with the circular arrows, and return to the default view with the home icon. Once you practice these steps a few times, navigating in AutoCAD will feel much easier and much more natural. If this video helped you learn how to use ViewCube in AutoCAD, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.